Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 RC question and we're going to analyze this. Before you go through the question, make sure you go through the passage analysis video and solve the RC. Then you should watch this video solution. Let's get started. What do we have at hand here? We've got a question which asks you very specifically in paragraph 4 the phrase, the fabric of elephant society has effectively been frayed by, right? Now frayed, the word frayed means it has been worn out by or tattered around the edges. So that is what this particular word means. So the fabric of elephant society, it has been worn out by, it has been tattered around the edges. Now let's go through the specific context. In fact, let's go through the whole context. The context is this fabric of elephant society, Bradshaw and her colleagues demonstrate, has effectively been frayed by years of habitat loss, poaching along with systematic culling by government agencies to control elephant numbers and translocations of herds to different habitats. So the fabric of elephant society here refers to, it's a metaphorical reference here to how elephant society has been torn apart. So the fabric has been frayed, that means the fabric has been torn apart. You are drawing what? You are drawing a similarity, you are drawing a parallel condition. So when you use a metaphor, what is it that you do? A metaphor in itself implies that you draw a similarity or a likeness to something to explain something, right? So you draw a likeness with something else, right? When you want to derive a point. Here the likeness that has been drawn is elephant society has been compared to a frayed fabric. So two things have been likened to one another, they've been portrayed similar to one another, and from that similarity of the situation, we've got to understand the impact on elephant society. Hence the appropriate answer here is option number B. Option number D says an ode to the fragility of elephant society today. An ode is a poem basically meant to praise someone. This does not fit. An exaggeration aimed at bolstering Bradshaw's claims. An exaggeration here would mean that this is an opinion. The author is doing it on purpose. This is not an opinion. This is just a factual statement that's been made here. A factual statement in terms of just highlighting the state of elephant society. There is no exaggeration in this. This is what is happening. A, an accurate description of the condition of elephant herds today. Remember, this cannot be an accurate description. The elephant herds of today, they cannot be a torn apart fabric, right? A fabric which has been torn apart at the edges, which has been tattered, which has been frayed upon. So this cannot be an accurate description because there is an implied reference here. This is a metaphor that has been used. So options A, C, and D are rejected. Option number B is the valid answer. Hopefully so you're clear with the reasoning for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.